Hey everyone, Anil here, and today's show we are going to discuss multi-steps form in Power Apps. This is the multi-steps form, and in the left you can see all my steps, all my progress of the form. Right, and this reason field is mandatory. Whenever you will click on this next button, you can see it is asking to fill the reason field first. I will choose the reason field as a Europe, and now I will click on this next button. I can move on the next button now. Now whenever I will click again on the next button, it will ask me to please fill all valid field. My unit field is mandatory and it is asking to fill that also. If I want, I can go on a previous and I can fill my other details also. Right. Now I will go and I can click on next button. If you want, you can click on reset and your reset button will reset all the form. Click on next, unit price, click on next, and this is the date. Click on 8/25th and click on the save button. Your data will be saved, and now whenever you will click on this any row, your form will be in edit mode and you can update this data also. Okay, if you want, I want update the data, click on next, and I can update it. Right, you can see here my updated data. So this is what we are going to create today. This is my new application. Here I will add a table. So what I will do first, I will go into the setting, and in a setting, in an update, I will change modern control theme to on. Click on close. Now I will go and I will add the header control. In the main container, I will add a table control. This table I will connect with SharePoint as a data source. So let me go and choose SharePoint list, and here is my sales record. I can choose my sales record as a data source for this table. I will go over the form. I can stretch it. I will add a one more screen over here, and this is approval request screen. I will add over here. In the approval screen, you can see this is my approval form 1. I will add sales record as a data source. This sidebar container I will put into the left, move to start. This approval form, I will go and I will change the fields. Here I will use attachment, and then total cost, total profit, total revenue. I will add them. Now in the form container, I will add one more container, that is horizontal container. This container I will make the height as 50. This submit request I will cut from here and I will paste over here. I will copy this and paste 3 times. Now the container gap I will make it 20 pixel. For this I will change the text as a previous icon. I will make the previous icon. This will be next, and I will change the icon, and this icon will be after. This will be only submit. Icon will be save. This will be reset. Now on screen visible property, I will set a variable set where step equals to 1, and I will initialize it. So I will redirect on screen 1 and then screen 2. Now from here, order ID, region, order ID, country, item type, sales channel, order priority. For this, the visual property will be where step equals to 1. Now unit sold, unit price, total cost, total profit, total revenue. For this, I will change visual property as where step equals to 2. For attachment, order date and ship date, I will make visual as where step 3. Now on the next button, I will put a formula if where step equals to 1 and not my reason, because reason is mandatory field. So I will copy this and again will go on the next and dot valid, then submit form, and my form name is approval form 1. The next is I will copy this and paste over here. If where step equals to 2 and the next field is unit sold, I will copy my unit sold property and put over here dot valid, then again submit form approval form 1. Else what it will do, it will move to next step, set where step equals to where step 1 plus 1, and I will close it. See here, so what it will do, it will check where step equals to 1 and not reason dot data card 1 dot valid, then it will submit the form. It will not going to submit the form, we are just engaging the mandatory fields. Okay, so now if I will click here, okay, so let me go on screen 1 and then screen 2, then see, whenever I will click on this next button, it will ask the reason field should be mandatory. But for now, what we can do for this error, here I will put a error handling. If error please fill all valid field, notify type dot error, and I will close it. Now see, whenever I will click on this next button, I will get a notification. I will fill this. I can move on next button and then again I can see the unit sold. I will type anything over here and I will go on the next one, right? And here I can put order dates and then I can click on submit, right? And on the previous one, we have to put some code, set where step equals to where step minus 1, and the visual property of this previous will be if where step is not equals to 1. So see here, we will go on a previous, see my visual button is disabled and this submit will be the visual property where step equals to 3. See, now I can see the next, and I can see all the button, submit, previous, the next also, the visual where step is not equals to 3. Right, previous, next, submit and previous and reset. Alright, for a reset, on select property, I will reset the form. I will remove this and reset is fine. Now see, whenever I will click on this reset button, my form will be reset. Okay. Now this container align vertical, I'll make into the center so that my control will become into the center, right? Now I will go and I will click on next. I can see this validation. I will fill the data, click on next, fill the data, click on next, and now I will click on the next button, and here I can fill the data, click on the submit, go on select property, and this will be submit. So submit also we can apply a error handling if error notify and close it. Please fill all valid fields, as this will be notification error type dot error, and then on upload form 1 in the success property of the form I will notify and say form saved successfully, and this will be notification type dot success, and I can navigate on screen 2, screen 1 actually, and this will be cover right. Now see, whenever I will click on the submit button, my form has been submit, and it will show me a message and it will redirect it to the table screen. Click on this table property, click on select, and here we can see edit form, and this will be approval form 1, and then we can navigate to screen 1, screen 2 basically. And now whenever I will click over here, it will redirect to request approval screen. Now what we have to do, we will go here, and for this form 1, on item property of this form I will say table 1 dot selected. Okay, so that my form will be filled automatically. Now for this, what I will do, I will go here, status and title I will remove, name will be product info, and this will be where step equals to 1. So this I will copy and paste here and paste here. This step I will remove because I have only 3 steps. If you have more than 3 steps, you can go and add. This will be 3 and this will be submit. This will be product detail and step will be 2 and where step will be 2. Okay, I will remove this. This product info I will make into the center, and this I can remove. For base color palette I will put a color code. Great. This is the rectangle. For this rectangle I'll make a solid. For border color I will just copy and paste the same code. There's one more thing that we can change here. I will go in the content, this item dot steps. Great. And this button, if you want, you can become into the center, so it will be into the center, right? Now it's look like everything is similar. So I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you and bye bye.